Hello friends! Is your car running rough, misfiring, or consuming more fuel than usual? If your check engine light is on and your obd2 scanner shows P0265, you're dealing with a fuel injector circuit high voltage issue in cylinder 2. This could lead to poor fuel combustion, rough idling, and even long-term engine damage, but don't worry. In this video we'll break down what P0265 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0265 is a fuel injector circuit high voltage code for cylinder 2. This means the fuel injector is receiving too much voltage, leading to excess fuel delivery, misfires, and inefficient combustion. Common symptoms of P0265: check engine light on, engine misfires, especially in cylinder 2, poor acceleration and rough idling, strong fuel smell from the exhaust, black smoke from the tailpipe, and reduced fuel economy. Ignoring this issue can cause serious engine problems, so let's locate the issue quickly. To diagnose and fix P0265, you need to check these key components. Cylinder 2 fuel injector, located on the intake manifold or cylinder head depending on your engine type. Fuel rail pressure sensor, found on the fuel rail, responsible for regulating fuel pressure. Fuel injector wiring harness runs between the ECU and fuel injectors. A short circuit or damaged wire can cause excessive voltage. Engine control unit, ECU, located in the engine bay or under the dashboard. It manages fuel injector voltage. Camshaft and crankshaft position sensors, found near the engine block and timing cover. These sensors help time fuel injection properly. A fault in any of these components can cause high voltage in the injector circuit, triggering P0265. Common causes of P0265: a shorted or stuck fuel injector. A damaged injector can allow excessive fuel delivery. Faulty fuel injector wiring. A short circuit in the wiring harness can send too much voltage. Bad fuel rail pressure sensor. If this sensor malfunctions, it may send incorrect signals. ECU malfunction. A software or hardware issue in the ECU can cause injector overvoltage. Dirty or malfunctioning camshaft or crankshaft sensors. Incorrect timing can disrupt injector performance. So, how do you fix the P0265 error? Well, let's go through the steps. First, inspect and test the fuel injector for cylinder 2. If it's faulty, you'll need to replace it. Next, check the fuel rail pressure sensor using an obd2 scanner. Then, inspect the injector wiring harness for any shorts or damaged connectors. After that, scan and reset the ECU software if needed. Also, test the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors to ensure proper fuel injection timing. Finally, clear the code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. Remember, P0265 can hurt your engine performance and fuel efficiency if left unchecked. Fixing it early will save you time and money in the long run. Want to learn more about fuel injector issues? Check out these next videos: P0211, Cylinder 11, Injector Circuit Malfunction, and P0212, Cylinder 12, Injector Circuit Malfunction. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.